don't have any like habitat for songbirds to live, so we wanted to like make more sanctuaries for them to like have a habitat to be in. So we had 3 various groups, and we were thinking about like water, plants, and I think it was also songbirds. And then we came up with prototypes for that first. And then we had Miss Marilyn from the Tuscany Club. She checked out our prototypes, and the one that they chose was the songbirds. So we started making like bird feeders, bird houses, and bird baths. And then we chose different projects, like people were testing out different things for birdhouses, like location. People were doing like the bird bath, like where to put it, and then like how high it should be. The mentors helped us, like we have to, like in the wood shop, we had Sydney help us out with like building it and like just like help in general, like helping us come out with ideas. And then we also have to thank Miss Marilyn from our community center for like letting us have the space to use for the bird sanctuary. The benefit of sharing and testing ideas was to like help us learn like what we did wrong and what we can improve, because if you just do it without prototyping, you think your idea is like really good and strong, but then once you find out it's like it doesn't work and you used all your hard work to make something that doesn't work. I feel like collaborating is a huge part, because like if it's your idea, you'll just stick to it, but when you collaborate with people, you always think about new ideas.